no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a makeup tutorial of this look. I hope you like it. If you're new, please subscribe and let me know what you would like to see more of.
Night sky. You're the night sky, hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two pass the line. You're the night sky, I'm trying to see.
Sorry, this isn't the best at applying full coverage foundation because it takes forever. The brush is too small. And it's just, I don't know, like I like my kabuki, how I can press the foundation. Well, with this you can't. So maybe it's good for like BB creams, I don't know, but not full face foundation and full coverage. It's just, it takes so long. And I feel like with not being able to pack it on, it's not as flawless. Like around my eyes, it looks a bit powdery and patchy. It hasn't synced in my skin. So, anyways, let's get back to watching Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
You're the night sky, trying to make me see your stars. The dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky, hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see your blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the tide. I can't find the point where our two pass the line. You're the night sky, I'm trying to see your stars. But I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet, I can feel your silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
So I'm taking this palette, the one that I showed on my haul from Aliexpress, and it's really pigmented. So this is my first time using it, and I'm using the gold shade in Auburn. Goldish yellow shade. I'm just gonna use my fingers. It's so creamy, it like feels wet. So I know that eyeshadows are improving now, like the formulation. Back then, cheap eyeshadows used to be so chalky and wasn't very good. It would only be like really good brands that would have pigmentations like this. But like, this is insane. It almost feels like cream, and you kind of have to like press it on your skin, your lid. Then I'm taking my favorite Bourbon highlight shade and applying it on my Bourbon. So my eyebrows are growing, and I hate doing my makeup when my eyebrows are growing. I can't do my eyebrows properly, I can't shape them properly, and like the highlight doesn't look good. I'm grabbing this denser blending brush. Not that dense, but it's not a pencil brush, and taking this dark brown shade that I always use and applying that on my outer V. Taking a pencil brush. So highlighting with the shade Cashmere. It's not showing up using the brush, so I'll probably use my pinky and like try to press that in. Yeah, it's so strange. Like, you need to use your fingers and it will feel like cream. You know, like creams don't do well with brushes as well. So but it's not cream. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be mine. So this is a new product, taking the Sigma Polished Inner Rim Brightener, applying it on my waterline. So I always apply dark, like brown or black on my waterline and tightline, so this is really new for me. I know it's like meant to be nice and brightens your eyes, but I really like that dark, edgy look. But this isn't so bad. Something new. I've always thought it looked a bit weird, like to have like a really bright, fleshy, colored waterline. Yeah, it looks a bit, but that really does brighten my eyes. To the top too, I guess. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't, because it's just weird right now. I'll tightline at the top, but I'll transfer it to the bottom. I don't know. Okay, yeah, no, I want to tightline. Just lightly. Just get rid of that fleshy color. I think I've gotten rid of it. The silence in the dark's all that I see when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes.
Okay, if there's one thing I can't handle, it's burping.
He's cleaning.
Cleaning me? Idea. Right after a while, I was like, what's going on?
I really thought someone on the beach
Their
had
heads are about to be
a sniper. I was like,
Yeah.
the red dot is going to be somewhere on her forehead. I think there's just like a language barrier.
Hello, Saskia.
I'm gonna try using this stippling brush, the small one, to contour. I'm not good with contouring. I usually rely on my brushes, and I find this one the best, and this one is also good to contour precisely and not blend it too much. This one really just helps you blend it at the same time, so I guess this is really good for beginners. But let's try this one.
The point where I to pass a line, but you're the night sky, I'm trying to see your stars. But you always feel so far when you're.
It's actually really nice to contour. I wouldn't like this. Let me just apply my lashes because they're drying.
Be my night sky.
Yeah, so normally I'm not very patient, and that's not the best way. So this I would normally just like dip and then blend, and that would be it. But this takes time but gives really good results because like that looks so natural compared to how I would normally do it. And you can't really overdo with a stippling brush, like it's pretty light. And I can even like blend towards my cheeks and it's not gonna look muddy or, you know, risky.
You'll always be my night sky.
I needed a little bit more contour than that. I don't know, it's just my thing, but still doesn't look as muddy as I sometimes can do because I have no patience.
See your stars, the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. In the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.